and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. We have got you all the latest news and updates from the blockchain technology world, but first, let's take a look at the headlines. BTC ETH trade lower on concerns over higher recession risk in US. Twitter board approves Musk's $44 billion takeover bid, DogeCoin rallies. Ethereum launches Sepolia testnet as the main merge draws closer. Binance US targeting $50 million follow-on raise at $4.5 billion valuation. NYDIG partners with Deloitte to provide Bitcoin services to clients. Miner Bitfarms sold almost half of its Bitcoin to reduce debt. BAYC collaborates with Rolling Stones for limited edition NFTs. MoonPay launches NFT platform Hypermint in partnership with Universal Studios and Fox. Crypto blockchain NFT jobs in India jump 804% post-COVID, says a report. Crypto markets remain flat to negative in Wednesday morning. India trades on concerns over rising recession in the world's largest economy, United States of America. Goldman Sachs economists led by Chief Economist Jon Hortsios explained in a note Monday that the Global Investment Bank has cut its growth forecast for the US economy, warning that the risk of recession is rising, Bloomberg reported. Goldman Sachs noted that the Fed will feel compelled to respond forcefully to high headline inflation and consumer inflation expectations if energy prices rise further. Oil prices edged up on high summer fuel demand, while supplies remain tight because of sanctions on Russian oil after its invasion of Ukraine. Brent crude oil traded 2% lower at $112.33 a barrel. Bitcoin, the world's biggest cryptocurrency, was trading around $20,400, down by almost 1% in the last 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, was trading around $1,100, down by almost 2% in the similar time frame. Elon Musk moved one step closer to completing his $44 billion takeover of Twitter on Tuesday when the company's board of directors unanimously approved his buyout offer, according to an SEC filing. Jack Dorsey, the co-founder of Twitter, who stepped down as CEO last year, stands to pocket $978 million once Musk's takeover is complete. Doge, which has been rising all day on rumors of potential deal approval, instantly reacted with almost a 9% increase. DogeCoin is currently trading at $0.0645 with a total capitalization of $8.57 billion. Musk indicated not long ago that it makes sense to incorporate Twitter payments, including cryptocurrency, and proposed that the Twitter Blue service be paid in Doge. The Ethereum Merge will soon go live as the second testnet, Sepolia, has just been deployed. The Robston testnet beacon chain was launched earlier, and since it went smoothly, the next key step towards the merge is in motion. Sepolia's dress rehearsal is necessary to ensure the upgrade works properly on all testnets before it goes live on mainnet in early August. The merge is a long-awaited milestone in Ethereum's journey from proof of work to proof of stake consensus mechanism. The merge was initially scheduled for June 2022. However, Ethereum decided to delay the difficult bomb for about 2 to 3 months. This is the sixth time this bomb has been delayed since 2017. Binance US, the American arm of the crypto exchange giant, is looking to raise up to $50 million in additional funding at a $4.5 billion valuation in what would be a continuation of an exchange seed round. The company previously closed a $200 million seed round at a $4.5 billion valuation in April. The raise will target strategic partners and would not represent a new Series A round. Investors in Binance US seed round include Circle Ventures, VanEck, and RRE Ventures. Binance US CEO Brian Schroeder said that the soon-to-be-announced fundraise will have the company entering the crypto winter from a position of strength. New York Digital Investment Group LLC, a Bitcoin investment firm, and professional services giant Deloitte announced their collaboration on June 21st to help businesses of different size incorporate digital assets into their operations. Both the companies have planned a strategic alliance that will help NYDIG expand its client base by offering Bitcoin products in banking, consumer loyalty, rewards programs, and employee benefits to the consultancy's customers while strengthening Deloitte's digital asset offerings. One example is NYDIG's Bitcoin Savings Plan, unveiled in February, which allows employees to convert parts of their salaries into Bitcoin. Deloitte's clients include 90% of the Fortune 500 companies as well as 7,000 private firms. Bitfarms, a Bitcoin miner, sold over half of its cryptocurrency holdings for $62 million in the last week to pay down debt as miners feel the pinch of the cryptocurrency market collapse. Bitfarms is changing its holding strategy to increase liquidity and strengthen its balance sheet. The miners' holdings are now down to 3,349 BTC after the sale of 3,000 BTC. Bitfarms also revealed that last week that it had completed a $37 million equipment financing agreement with NYDIG, raising its total liquidity to $100 million. The proceeds from the transactions allowed the miners to decrease a $38 million Bitcoin-backed credit line with Galaxy Digital. Bitfarms announced last week that it has sold BTC 1500 to lower the rolling loan from $100 million to $66 million. Bitfarms shares rose 6.8% on Nasdaq. Bored Ape Yacht Club announced its second collaboration with Rolling Stones on the first day of the Ape Fest 2022. The limited edition Rolling Stone collectibles will include two 1x1 BAYC and MAYC NFTs along with physical art prints. The two 1x1 BAYC and MAYC NFTs will go up for auction on June 22nd at 9 a.m. ET. Both BAYC and Rolling Stone hope to get the same level of success for the auction and sales as they did in their previous collaboration. Moreover, the NFT auction will be accompanied by a 4-hour sale for collectible art prints of each design. The art prints can be purchased for ApeCoin worth $100. The links will be shared on Twitter as the sale starts. However, the details about the BAYC and MAYC NFTs and art prints are not yet revealed by Yuga Labs or Rolling Stone magazine. The ApeCoin is currently trading around $4.3, down over 5% in the last 24 hours. MoonPay, a crypto payment infrastructure company, on Tuesday launched Hypermint, an NFT platform that promised to mint hundreds of millions of NFTs in a day. Universal Studios, Fox Corporation, and Snoop Dogg's Death Row Records have partnered with MoonPay to launch the NFT platform. MoonPay CEO Ivan Soto Wright confirmed that Hypermint currently supports Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon. The platform plans to add more chains in the future. MoonPay raised $555 million in Series A funding at a valuation of $3.4 billion in November last year. Big names like Justin Bieber, Drake, Ashton Kutcher, Snoop Dogg, and other celebrities have added $87 million in funding. According to a report by the global job portal Indeed, job postings in India for cryptocurrency, blockchain, and NFTs have grown 804% between April 2020 to April 2022. There has been a significant jump in the market's demand. In 2022 alone, the increase in job posting has been 315%. The top job roles in the blockchain industry is that of application developer, followed by data engineer and full stack developer. 67.48% of hires in 2021-2022 have been for crypto roles. The COVID-19 pandemic played a major role in the acceleration by fast-tracking the adoption of Web 3.0 technology. This adoption led to the need for experts and trained personnel in the blockchain world. A global report by Gartner forecasts that the business value generated by blockchain will grow rapidly, reaching $176 billion by 2025, potentially creating more job prospects. That's all in the bulletin for now. Keep watching Crypto TV.